All right, all change time for a, oh, what year is this truck, Pop? 2003 Toyota Tundra 4.7 liter V8 SR5. It needs 5W30 oil. So let's see what we're working with. It's my first time doing it. So let's see what we got under the truck. All right, what we got? That's a drain plug. I don't know where the filter at. We'll find it. So let me get the plug out. I'm using that to drain the oil in. All right, so I'm using, what is this thing? What is it, 916? Come on, focus, 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 focus. Yeah, I'm using 916 ratchet. That's a drain plug. All as dark as it could be. Alright, so once you get that out, let it drip up a little bit, then clean that. And I normally put grease on my drain plug and put it back on after I clean it up. Alright, so now you just snug them in. Remember always, don't tighten it, just tighten enough where you feel the resistance, and then snug it. You ain't gotta do nothing too hard. What you see right there, that's just the grease coming out. Alright, now I gotta find the filter. Okie dokie. The oil filter is behind these, so you're gonna have to take that screw or bolt. I'm missing this one. That one.
You got one here.
I got one in this hole. One in this hole. And y'all see it, one right there. So you got 6 bolts or screws or whatever you want to call them. You got to remove them. They're 12 millimeters. So you got to remove that so you can get these out. And the oil filter is behind this. So that's the filter. And all the other goodies. Alright. As you see, there's the filter. I'm dripping. Oh, they're making a whole lot of mess. There is it. I'm gonna clean that out real good and put another filter on it. Again, I'm gonna put a grease on the ring of the filter before I put it up. But before I do that, I'm gonna make sure all that is clean, and then I'll put another one on there. And this is the grease I'm using. That's how I change my oil. Alright, clean enough. Now I'm gonna put a greaser on the ring and screw the filter back up. Again, when you screw it in, don't tighten it too much until you feel the resistance, and then snug it. Alright, this is the filter I'm using on this ring. I'm gonna put this grease on. I also add some oil in it. Alright, there it is. New filter ready to go. Now I'm gonna replace the cover back. Check one more time on the drain plug and put oil in it. Alright, this is the oil I'm using. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Till the next one.